Your time starts now.
When there's an open pantry, your mind goes crazy. You know, you can work with this, that. I really don't want to make a mess of my dish. I want to think it through and just pick up what I need to.
It benefits us to have an open pantry to choose what we want to make. With that, we could put our best foot forward that would represent us.
Every time when I am cooking something, if I thought of something else, I can just go and choose that. So that was a big relief for me.
I haven't really worked with Thai cuisine at all, but the fact that we have to get Goa and Thai together, I know how these ingredients taste, so I can maybe bring out a very good dish with it. I am cooking a dessert today. I'm doing a cream cheese set tender coconut with kaffir lime inside it. I'm going to do a nice kokum sweet sauce, a spiced bal chow crumb, and a mango and passion fruit salsa.
So I've gotten Italian cuisine. I'm going to make prawns in caffriel sauce. So that would be my Goan twist, and I'm going to use coconut milk and a lot of coconut as well in my Italian dish.
I got Spanish, and I'm gonna make a classic Spanish recipe, which is paella. But then I'm gonna put Goan flavors in that, and there will be squid, there will be prawns, there will be some vegetables which I'll serve as a salad. Then I'm gonna use avocado in my sauce and some rishado caviar. I started with the stock first because the stock was needed for my arborio rice to be cooked. So I added some onions, carrot in the boiling water with prawns shell in it, and then kept it on boiling.
I decided to first place my panna cottas in the fridge first, for which I needed to make cream cheese from scratch. I made the ricotta cheese for that, added some milk, added some coconut to it. My struggle was to not find enough tender coconut in the coconuts that I'd picked up, which was quite disappointing.
I started by making my own ravioli pockets, which were egg-free.
I started making marination for my tuna and prawn because it will take time to get marinated. So I took bal chow sauce and then added my prawn and tuna in it and kept it separately for marination.
Ladies, you got 60 minutes for the task and 15 minutes are up.
Girls, move it! In the Veggie Week, I'd made a dessert and it was awarded the best dessert. I want to create the same kind of magic. So I'm hoping they loved what I'm creating today. This is the first time I'm creating something like this. So I'm glad that they'll be here to taste it.
I'm really proud of how the girls have now started constructing dishes.
Dishes, yes.
You know?
Absolutely.
And technically, we threw them in deep water. Here's two cuisines, take one cuisine, take other flavors, and put them together.
Yes.
I'm impressed.
And I don't think it's an easy task. It's a huge task.
Yes.
And you know, not have contrasting flavors, but have a nice homogeneous dish.
So all of this sounds very exciting. I mean, I think these three finalists have it in them.
I think it's going to be a tough call as always, but this is even tougher because it's the grand finale.
It's gonna be a fight.
Ladies, we have only 30 minutes left. It's midway into the grand finale. We have 30 minutes more. You're making us proud thus far. Keep it up. 30 more minutes to go. Chewy.
Yes, chef.
Smile.
So my lemongrass and coconut panna cotta is setting. I'm just cutting the mangoes for the mango salsa. I'll start my crumb after that. That should take about 5 to 7 minutes. My kokum sauce is reducing at the moment. I think I'll need about 20 minutes or odd because the panna cotta is setting as well to get my dish out.
Do you think that those Goan elements are strong enough?
I think so. I've incorporated cashews, cashew feni, kokum, some black jaggery, and I might just use the peppercorns as well, please, because it also has a lemon flavor to it.
Putting a shadow of doubt in your head.
Hanji.
Cashew, coconut, jaggery, and long pepper. They're not only Goan. Kokum's used in Maharashtra. It's not typically Goan. Long pepper is not Goan. It's definitely Malabar.
But at the same time, make sure you make Thailand shine as well.
Right? Try and find the balance between Thailand and Goa. They're not too far. Good luck.
You'll do great, Juhi, we're sure.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Can't wait to taste. Cheers.
Bye.
Chef Ranveer gave me a very good piece of advice that coconut, cashews, and also kokum are not really special to just Goa, except my cashew feni. So what I've done is I've taken some balchao masala, which I've put in my crumb. So the crumb is a little spiced with balchao. So hopefully that'll give it an exclusive Goa flavor now. And I should be good to go.
Throughout the entire season, there was nobody who used blue cheese, and I wanted to make this a very different dish. Hence, I thought that I'd take up the challenge and use the blue cheese.
A blue cheese capriole ravioli. Blue cheese and capriole, I'm not convinced. I mean, it could work, but it could go drastically wrong because they're two strong flavors. When you're cooking with blue cheese, you have to be very careful. You need to taste it along with your capriole and your pasta to make sure that it's pairing that well, otherwise change the sauce.
Thank you, Chef.
Before that, I have never cooked arborio rice. So it was not getting al dente the way I wanted. It was being a bit hard. So I have to keep on adding stock every time I was going there and checking it.
So far, the thought process is right. What can go wrong is that the balchao can completely take over your paella. A paella has to be saffron, it has to be bell peppers, it has to be nice aromatic rice coming through. Don't let the saffron get killed. Try and find a good balance between the saffron of the paella and the spice of the balchao. Stuffed squid, I like the idea. It's a great idea. I still feel you could consolidate it down and maybe think how you could reduce one element, but make the dish more detailed. Yeah? Bye.
By mistake, I added a bit more of saffron because it just dropped there. So I was just hoping that it doesn't make me lose the competition just because I have made a small mistake.